The pain of blunderation, so very hurt his of these tears of crying after loss of this game of Masters round number 6. So what happened with Tears of Cry within between Grandmaster Gukesh D in this India? So make it up this one to rook with blunders. So it means without make up queen check with kings with Grandmaster in Uzbekistan is Norderbeg up to Saturov. So what happened of this game of Masters round number 6? So it means Gukesh tears, he's crying. So after lose of this game because blunderacious. So what happened of the studies of these games within Tata Steel Chess Tournament 2026? So let's study of these chess games here. Many shock of this Masters battle of these games or many shock. So very painful and hurt by world champ Grandmaster Gukesh D in India. So it means without start of the standings with Masters round number 6 in Tata Steel. So white plays with Norderbeck versus black pieces with Gukesh is e4 by Norderbeck, e5 by Gukesh, knight f3, knight c6, and also entering Roy Lopez opening, and also Paul Morphy defense with pawn a6 with threatening the bishop, and bishop backwards a4 with plannings with Norderbeck with before captured with knight here. And also without knight f6 with Gukesh here without idea with threatening the pawns with e4 here. And also castle kingside by Norderbeck, and also bishop e7 with Gukesh because this is a idea with before castling kingside here with Gukesh D. And also bishop captured knight. So this is the main lines here is used by rook e1 without more with defense the pawns, or maybe here by pawn d3. So it means without defense the pawn e4 here. So it means without bishop captured knights first with Norderbeck without bishop defense the without pawn e4 here, and also capture this pawn because this is a without damage full by ugliness pawn structure here, but not yet ready by castling with Gukesh D here. And also without pawn d3 without defense by supports of this developed by pawn e4, and also knight d7 with Gukesh, and also knight c3 with Norderbeck, castle kingside with Gukesh D, and also bishop e3 good precise here with Norderbeck, and also rook e8 with Gukesh because this is a rook e8 without pins without rook e files here, and also without pawn a4 with Norderbeck without ideas with strong a5 with conquerors without attacks this with strong move with Norderbeck, and also pawn a5. So if you cannot move by Gukesh with pawn a5, so this is a move by strong with push with a5 here. So this is a warriors from this with white pieces here. So it means with a pawn a5 with Gukesh D. So this is a shield with controls by will stop up this pawn a5 with white pawns here. And also king h1 with a proxy active move with Norderbeck up to Satarov, and also bishop d6 without defense the pawns, and also knight e2 without next maneuver knight g3 with Norderbeck here, and also without knight f8 without idea with Gukesh with knight to g6 or maybe knight to e6 here. So this is a next maneuver, and also knight g3 without good precise with Norderbeck, and also pawn c5 with Gukesh D without more controls with rook c-binds with two connected pass pawn. So pawn c5 is a novelty by world champ with Gukesh D. So this is the old main lines here with first is knight to g6, or second by pawn to h6 here. So it means so pawn to c5 third novelty. So this is a novelty with Gukesh with world champ here. And also knight d2 with Norderbeck without idea without plannings with knight to c4, or maybe knight to b3 here. So this is a next move here. And also without knight e6 with Gukesh D without plannings with knight to f4. So this is a move controls with strong move. And also without knight f5 with Norderbeck without idea with plannings without attacks the threatening the bishop here. And also bishop backwards f8. So this is a more continuous here. And also knight c4 good precise here by Norderbeck up to Satarov. So it means this is a good move without idea without knights without threatening the free pawns here. So this is a attacks by threats here. F6 with pawns with a defense by E5 here with black pawns, and also Queen G4. So with a strong move, with that idea, with that next by Bishop to H6 here. Without more control, so cannot capture, so it means this is a queens without threats with pins, more pins with check with kings with black kings. And also King H8 with Gugesh D with a good precise property active move here, and also Queen backwards GTY. So this is a queen. So this is a bad bishop without pins, without pins with knights and queens. So if you move by decided with next by G6 here, without threats the knights here. So it means, so if you knight backwards here, so if you knight G3, so it means, and also without move up this counters with moves decided is knight to here, knight to G5. So this is a bishop with threats the dangerous without queens here. So need more be careful with controls with decided with queens. Without decided by Norderbeck, is decided backwards with Norderbeck up to Satarov, Queen G3 here. Without no more with bishop with pins here. Without no more by pins and no more by with G6 here. So this is a queens because more concentrations need more backwards with Queen G3 with determinations here. And Gukesh is pawn to B6 without defense with 2 connected pass pawn, and also H4, good precise here with Norderbeck here, and also G6. So this is a good precise with Gukesh D with Wertscham, without disturbance with knights here, without threats the knights here, and also without knight H6, good precise with Norderbeck up to Satrop here. So this is a more controls by continuations, and also Queen D7, wait. So it means without knight H6 here, without idea with more controls with knight to F7 with check, so it means traps the queens here, queenless. Without idea with Gukesh with Queen D7 with no more by knight to F7 here, because this is a more controls with a move side with queens to protect up this support of these move solutions here. So it means we'll stop up this one with knight to F7 with check here with kings here. And also knight G4 without go backs. So it means need more go backs with Norderbeck up to Satrop here, without idea with threatening the pawns here, without double attacks with queens and rooks here. So this is a more controls with also solutions with connected of knights here. And also Bishop G7, good move without defense, without no more by knight captured with pawns. So because this is a defense with bishop with protects of the supports with pawns here. And also F3 with Norderbeck up to Satrop, and also Bishop A6 without idea with threats the knights or pins with pawns and rooks with the diagonals with light square here. So it means light square with bishop with fianchettos here, because this is a bishop with Indians, bishop fianchettos attacks with also with Indians with countries with flag. And also B3 with the defense the pawns, and also rook AD8 with the queens behind the rooks here, and also H5 sacrifice. This is a good precise with sacrifice move here, and decided with capture the sacrifice with threats the knights, and also knight H6 without more controls. So it means without idea. So this is a more controls without idea. So this is a more defense. So this is a more continuations without idea with Abdusaptero with Norderbeck is knight to F5 without idea with threatening the bishops here. So it means this is a next maneuver with counters temples attacks here. And decided this one is bishop captured with knights here, takes with bishop, and also bishop captured. So this is a with fianchettos with dark square with bishop to bishop. So this is a challenge full with bishop to bishop challenge here. And also bishop captured, rook G8. So with that rook G8 with Gukesh with threatening the with eating with queens here. So this is a attacks with more careful by queens. And also queen h2. Queen h2 without defense the pawns, without ignorance here. And also rook g6 with cookers. Without idea with battery or rooks without threats the bishop here. So this is a more control. So it means without battery or maybe without attacks here. So it means attacks this pawn with rooks without threats the bishop here. So this is a 3 types of threats or temples attacks. And also queen captured h5 without defense the bishop or more controls with determinations. And also knight f4. So it means without idea with Gukesh with disturbance eliminates the queens, without rooks without attacks the pawns here. So this is a controls from temples attacks with warriors. And also bishop capture good move, takes with bishop, and also g4 good move. Another good move with Norderbeck. So without move side here, so it means without g4, without before M+ had captured, so this is a M+ had captured without attacks with sword with attacks. And decided Gukesh is M+ had captured without idea with more controls with g2. So check or traps the rooks here. So need more careful here. So it means dangerous from whites here. And also king g2 good move. So good move with Norderbeck. So it means because this is a king g2, so it is called by umbrella. So umbrella with hanging with umbrella, two more of this one with closeness with kings and pawns. So it means umbrella of this code of this name with chess of this chess.com. And also queen d4. Without queen d4. So queen d4, good precise here or strong move with Gukesh d with word champ here. And also rook ae1, more controls by determinations here. So it means this is a rook pairs or maybe first rank. So first rank with rook pairs with Norderbeck. And also king g7 without property active, without defense the rooks here. And also e5, another excelente with Norderbeck. So it means good precise here. So it means without sacrifice. So this is a controls. And also rook h6 without idea with threatening the queens here. So this is a more targets here. And also without queen g4 check, and also rook g6 defense. So because no more, so does not accept with one with queen to queen. So it means because this is a queen g4 checks without queen g4 check. So it means with challenging without queen to queen. So that idea with Gukesh is rook to g6 because so cannot accept without queen to queens because this is a more controls with rook g6 with defense with kings here. So this is a cannot accept without queen to queen challenging here. So what do you think if you do that here? And also queen f5 with it more controls with determinations with Norderbeck. So it means so the black pieces with clock. So after 8 minutes plus 29 seconds is rook g5. So 5 minutes plus 36 seconds. So it means so very painful. Oh my god, Gukesh. So it means so very painful, hurt, frustrated, stress. So it means painful blunderations. Oh my god, oh my. It's a very moment of this Gukesh D. So it means so after rook g5 blunderations, so guessing puzzle, what do you think about the last move with best Norderbeck up to Satoru before resigns word champ Gukesh D? So guessing puzzles here, so while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. So the last move with more controls, queen captured pawn. So queen takes f6 check. So check. So it means traps the rooks very painful hurt resigns with Gukesh T. Oh my god, very painful. So Gukesh, very painful blunderations. Oh my god. So why he resigns? Because, for example, so if you king g8 only move with Gukesh, so it means queen captured, rook g5 check, so the check, so it means, and also without movement is king to f8, so it means one rook down with Gukesh t, very painful hurt with blunderations. So it means so what do you think about the Gukesh D? So very painful hurt with after blunderation. So watch up these video clips here. So let's watch this. Oh my, so I thought I watched up this video, so it means so Gukesh very painful with hurt blunderations. So what do you think the song of this painful? Now that I've been hurting you so long, how am I supposed to pain without you? I thought the song with Michael Bolton, so how am I supposed to live without you? So it means so I will see up this one with analyze. So okay, so it means rook g5 blunderations. So it means that the best move this one is rook to f8. So rook f8 is a best move, not rook to g5. So it means so rook f8 is a best move. So it means so I thought the miss up forgot from rook to f8. So it means so miss the move forgot by Gukesh T with Bertram. So it means so the score with Norderbeck up to Satarov 97.8 with highest accuracy, and the score with World Champ Gukesh is 92.9. So it means so not bad. So it means good of this score with accuracy. So it means so Norderbeck up to Satarov is win of this Masters round number 6. So our next of this challenger, so between with 15 years old Lu Miaoyi with China International Master versus the superhero legendary Grandmaster in Ukraine Vasil Ivanchuk. So I will analyze of this later soon. I mean later. So later of this one with next up challengers round number 7 Tata Steel. So I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loge 17, aka iCoolMark 17. Have a good day and keep safe, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube account, Mark Loge 17. So it means so click here by notification below from bell with subscribers with, so it means YouTube account. So it means so thank you from 100 or 102 followers. So I hope 100 followers. So I proud my also my YouTube account with subscriber my account in this YouTube. So keep updates of this next chess updates. So it means bye bye.